Good evening, my creative stampers. How are you? This is Christina Reese, and I am coming live on a Tuesday evening. I don't usually come live in the evenings, but I missed all of last week, and I wanted to do some catching up with you guys. So this is not going to be a stamping tutorial. What I want to do today is share with you the ultimate stamping bundle that Stampin' Up! Is offering right now. Now, the reason why I chose tonight to do this was because today is my 5th anniversary with Stampin' Up! 5 years ago today, I signed up to be a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and my life is so awesome now. And I think the biggest reason is because of all of the amazing friends I have made, and that includes you all, especially you all who send me cards and interact with me on my Facebook Lives. It just makes me so happy. Anyways, there are so many reasons to join Stampin' Up! If you ask any demonstrator, you will get different answers across the rainbow. My reason for joining Stampin' Up! 5 years ago, and it's very simple. I wanted people to come to my house and make cards with me. There's a whole long story about my decision I made 5 years ago on my blog, and it's the About Me page. So if you're interested in learning more about the beginnings of my journey, please go over there and check it out. I would love for you to know more about how it all started. Okay, the next thing I want to do on this video is share with you exactly what is the Stampin' Up! Starter Kit. A lot of people are like, oh yeah, I want the Ultimate Bundle, but I just want you to be clear that the Ultimate Bundle is also joining Stampin' Up! But that doesn't mean that you have to be a business person like me. 80% of Stampin' Up! Demonstrators are what we call hobby demonstrators, and that just means they purchase their product at a discount to continue with their hobby. A lot of demonstrator hobbyists, they run card ministries at their church, or they personally are just making lots and lots of cards. Maybe they're sending them to nursing homes or the medical field. They're making a lot of cards, and so they need to get their product at a discount to help buffer the cost of their mission, their passion. So that is one of the biggest reasons why people join Stampin' Up!, and that is for the 20% discount. Another reason, though, is to start a business like I did. And it is a very wonderful business because it's not all about the money. It's not even all about the cards. It is about the relationships. My best friend now, my bestest best friend from college, but my upline, Francine, when I joined Stampin' Up!, the two of us became thick as thieves. We do everything together. I joke about it. I said, we even shop at Walmart together. We'll call each other up and say, hey, I'm heading to Walmart. You want to go with me? Because we only live like a quarter mile away from each other. So we do a lot of stuff together. But yeah, it's about the relationship. So back to the starter kit. So I want to share my screen with you. Hold on. Let's see if I can figure out how to do this. I need to pop this up. I don't know if I did this right. I hope so. Okay, so I'm there, and now I need to come back here, and where's the share screen button? Share screen button. Oh, come on, silly machine. I don't see it. I am not happy. I cannot share my screen with you all. Oh, no. Okay, well, I guess I'm just going to have to tell you what the screen was. Darn. Okay, so on the screen, I had what the starter kit is, and we affectionately call it the Ultimate Bundle, because for $99, you get to choose whatever product you want out of the catalog, going up to $125. You cannot go over $125. You go up to $125. So if you're at like $124.75, but you can't go over $125. So you go through the catalog and you pick out what you want, but you only pay $99, and you get free shipping. Now you do have to pay tax, but you do get free shipping. And it's not just the $125. You also get a paper pumpkin kit. And the reason they throw that in is so that if you do want, well, there's two reasons. First of all, you as a demonstrator, you'll want to know what the paper pumpkin's all about. And so they give you one so you can see it. But the second thing is, if you want to share that with other people, you need to have one to share with them and show them what it is, because the paper pumpkin subscription kits are really awesome. Okay, so you get the $125, the free shipping, the paper pumpkin. This is why I need that screen. Hold on, I'm going to pull up my picture so I don't mess anything up. Oh, okay, and then you get some business supplies, so like catalogs and order forms. But this week, okay, the last day of February 28th, you get 2 extra stamp sets, okay? Any price stamp sets. So go through, pick out your 125, but save your most expensive stamps that you want to add on for their special that's going on during Celebration. Now, Celebration started in the beginning of January, but it ends at the end of February, and that is this week. So you get all of that on top of the Ultimate Starter Kit, the Ultimate Bundle. When you join Stampin' Up, you become a part of Reese's Paper Pieces. I kind of did a play on words with my last name, Christina Reese. And you all are my Reese's Paper Pieces. I give you all my tutorials. I send you PDFs every month that I do card kit classes. I give you those instructions free. I send them off to you, and you are able to use those for your own classes, or just to use for your own personal thing. The only thing I ask is that you not sell them or use them that way, but to recreate the cards, take your own pictures, write up your own tutorials, and then have your own classes. But I give it all to you. You're just copying mine. So you get that. Plus, what else do you get? Let me look at my pictures here. Nope, wrong one. There you go. Oh, 20% off future. Oh, that was the other big deal. So you get 20% off of future orders. So you sign up to be a demonstrator, you get your Ultimate Kit. That, as soon as you hit send and they accept your payment, they're going to immediately send you an email with your demonstrator ID. Then you go to the demonstrator website and you pick demonstrator order and you put in an order with your 20% off forever, as long as you stay active. But what's so cool is Celebration's going right now. And so when you get up to $50, then you take your 20% off, you still get to choose your Celebration items. So you're really only spending, let's see, 5, 10, $40. $40 to get a Celebration item. I mean, isn't that cool? It's so awesome. I love it. And anytime any sales are going on. So March 1st, we're starting a new sale. I can't tell you about it right now, but we are going to have a sale in March, and you're going to, as a demonstrator, get to use your 20% off on top of that sale. So yeah, that is another great reason to be a demonstrator. Okay. And you don't have to, like I said, be a business person. You don't have to sell to anybody. You can just be your own best customer. As long as you get your qualifying order in every 3 months, and it doesn't have to be one order, it can be multiple orders within the 3-month period, you stay active. Okay, and I can tell you more about that if you decide to join. So I'm going to stop now. I'm really disappointed in myself that I couldn't share with you my cute little graphics that I created, but oh well. I'm going to stop now. If you are interested in joining Stampin' Up and getting all of the products, $125 worth of products for $99 plus 2 extra stamp sets, please, there is a link in the description, plus there is a link on my blog called Join the Fun and Join Reese's Paper Pieces. All the information's there. You guys have a great night. I love y'all so much. I will eventually learn how to use Facebook and my new streaming technology. I don't know. I've been really struggling with it to save some money. Sometimes I wonder, maybe I'm going to go back to my old way because I'm rambling. Sorry, you guys. Good night. I love y'all so much. Bye-bye.